Open the upper cover on the back of the machine. Push down the 2 green levers until they lock into place. On the front of the machine, open the manual feed slot cover. Slide the paper guides to match the width of the envelope. Place one envelope with the printing surface face up in the manual feed slot. Insert the envelope until its front edge touches the paper feed rollers. When the machine starts pulling the envelope in, release the envelope. Adjust the manual feed slot paper guides. From an application such as Microsoft Word, click the File menu, and then select the Print option. Please note the available menu options may differ depending on your application. Then click Printer Properties. Once again, the options may differ depending on the application that you are using. Select your media type and envelope size, and then click OK. Click Print. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. Thank you for choosing Brother.